Hi everyone, I'm Gina Salazar. Welcome back to the Better Arizona Show. Back pain, sciatica, pain radiating down your legs. These problems affect millions of Americans, and if you don't suffer from them, you probably know someone who does. Luckily in the Phoenix area, we have the Pain Stop clinics and their revolutionary back pain treatments that are getting phenomenal results. Joining us today are Dr. Waychoff and Dr. Mike Seifried. Tell us, Dr. Waychoff, a little bit about what the Pain Stop philosophy is and how it's so different.
Pain Stop has a two-part philosophy. So the first part is responsible pain management. The second part is really determining the source and the cause of a patient's pain condition and then correcting that problem. So when a patient comes into our facilities, it doesn't mean we're against prescribing pain medication, but there's a time and a place, and you have to be responsible when you're using these with other forms of treatment. So the bottom line is if you're going to come into our facility, you know you're going to be treated with responsible pain management, and you know we're going to get to the root cause of your problem, and we're going to correct that for long-term results.
You offer a free consultation. Why do you feel that's so important?
We see acute and chronic pain patients all day long, all the time. We've seen thousands of them. And most of these patients have exhausted sometimes 2, 3, 6, 12 forms of treatment in the past. They've either had little results, short-term results, no results, or they're actually worse now than they were before. So the bottom line is you have to tell these patients there's no risk coming into the Pain Stop clinics for a consultation, because what are we going to tell you? First of all, we're going to let you know if we can help you, first and foremost. Second, we're going to let you know what we can do to help you. And finally, and sometimes this is the most important aspect, is what is your financial liability going to be in our office? Meaning, are you going to owe any money whatsoever?
Wonderful. Now, Dr. Seifried, tell me a little bit about what you think sets Pain Stop apart.
I think the key to Pain Stop success is that we're multidisciplinary. And a patient comes to our offices, and our job is to identify what's causing their pain. And because we're multidisciplinary, we now have all the resources to be able to effectively and safely treat their problem. And I think you're going to put a graphic up, but basically it lists out our group of providers. And our providers include board-certified physicians, anesthesiologists, medical doctors, nurse practitioners, and even natural provider remedy physicians like chiropractors or rehab therapists. So we've created this team, and the cool thing about each individual location of Pain Stop is you've got a lot of set of eyes and a lot of set of ears on each patient that we see. And that, by default, makes it safe and extremely effective.
And you offer rehabilitation and strengthening. Why is this so important?
It's the entire picture. Patients can't just come in and say they're in pain. We give them medication. We take care of the symptom. That doesn't treat the problem of why the symptom's there. So we're problem focused as opposed to symptom focused. And without addressing strength and weakness and core issues like that, the patient will never be 100% healthy.
So if you're suffering from back pain, simply call the number on your screen and schedule a free consultation at the Pain Stop clinic nearest you. There are 6 locations in our region, multiple Phoenix locations. And for the first 30 callers of the show, Pain Stop has set aside appointment blocks where they can get you in for your free consultation right away. If you're suffering from back pain, call Pain Stop today. Dr. Seifried and Dr. Waychoff, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
The Better Arizona Show will be right back.